Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression which contain a basic operation, multiplication, division and subtraction. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out which answer is correct. In the answer list we have three answers. A is 10, B is 4 and C is 7. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, just recall that what is the PAMDAS and BODMAS method. Basically, these are the rules which we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. So what is the BODMAS and PAMDAS? So basically, a B stands for bracket or P stands for parenthesis, which means that if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to solve the exponent part in your expression, find out the order of operation. Step number 3 is basically you have to see division and multiplication. So you have to go left to right in your expression and find out which division and multiplication, which is coming first. So you have to solve that operation first because both has the similar procedure. Step number 4 is basically you have to see addition and subtraction. So you have to go left to right in your expression and find out which operation is coming. So now let's move towards to solve the given expression. So as you can see in our expression, we have three basic operations: multiplication, division, and subtraction. And all have few have in the inside the bracket and few is outside the bracket. So first of all, according to the rules, we have to solve the bracket. So we have here three bracket, 1, 2, 3. One by one, we will solve this one. I'm solving. So I'm writing like 6 divided by 3 equals to 2. And other parts I'm writing as it is because I will show each step in each line. So 6 divided by 3 equals to 2. Now move forward to solve the bracket number 2, which is this one. So I'm solving now this bracket is this one. So 30 divided by 6 multiplied by 5. And this part I'm writing as. And here I will give the reference 30 divided by 6 is basically 5. Now move forward to step number. Basically, we have here third bracket. So we will solve this bracket now. So 2 multiplied by 5 minus 7 minus 6. So I will write this part this way. Now move forward to solve to give the reference of this 7 minus 1 equals to 6. Again, we have here, we do not have any bracket right now. So now we will go left to right in our expression and find out multiplication and division. So this one, I have the multiplication. So first of all, we will multiply 2 multiplied by 5 equals to 10 minus 6. So 2 multiplied by 5 equals to 10. And in the end, we have two terms which are subtracting each other, which is 10 minus 5. 4, 6. So we will write is 4. So the answer of the given expression is basically 4. So if you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer. So I hope you understand like how you can solve given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct error. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.